Tapan Dasgupta is about to join us. Let's go across to Supriya Srinath of the Congress, Shambhunath of the JDU. Appreciate both of you joining us. First reactions from you, Supriya Srinath, to what you are seeing on the screen at the moment. The Congress doing reasonably well, holding its own, more than holding its own. The RJD is sweeping at the moment across Bihar. Your sense, is this something which is even beyond your wildest imagination 3 months ago? I want an honest answer. Let's not be dishonest. You've been a former journalist, so you can be a little more honest than the traditional politician.
Welcome.
Let's be honest. 3 months ago, you were on the back foot. Now you're smiling. What's changed?
I don't think much has changed. I think we in Delhi perhaps never understood the gravity and the sense of frustration that exists in India as far as joblessness is concerned. And I say it with all honesty. I underestimated it myself. When I went to Bihar, I realized how desperate people were, how angry they are, how frustrated they are without jobs. And I'm glad that Bihar has voted despite all the narrative that was being
So
said,
you're seeing this as a Rozgar verdict?
Yes.
You're seeing this
Absolutely
as a Rozgar verdict?
Yes, yes, it is. It is a verdict on joblessness, and it's a verdict against not just Nitish Kumar, but also the central government.
Let me go to Shambhunath ji. Shambhunath ji, ये बताइए, generally it is looked at कि JDU 4 सीटों में से 3 में हार रही है. आपकी strike rate 25% से कम हो गई है. यानी हो सकता है अगर यही रहा तो 25 से ज्यादा सीटें नहीं आएगी. Would you accept this is a big defeat for Nitish Kumar? Nitish Kumar के खिलाफ गुस्सा है.
ये अभी बहुत अर्ली स्टेज है. अभी हम किसी चीज के फाइनल रिजल्ट पे नहीं आ सकते, मगर यह सही है कि ये 15 वर्षों में जो एंटी इनकम्बेंसी.
सर, आपकी आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रही है. आपकी आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रही है. हम आपके पास आएंगे. But why don't you respond, Ms. Sarangi, to what you heard from Supriya Srinath? This is a verdict on the issue of jobs. Ms. Sarangi, the feeling is that post-pandemic, the government's handling of the pandemic, both at the center and the state, has come into question. Ms. Sarangi, would you agree this is the Rozgar election?
I would definitely like to mention here that, yes, joblessness has been an issue, and that is what Tejasvi Yadavji had been talking about in all the election rallies. But you know what? If you go by the figures, let's go by the figures. During just 15 years, 6 lakh jobs had been given by the Nitish Kumar government, and prior to that, during Lalu Yadav and Rabri Devi's regime, only 95,000 jobs had been created. Number two.
Ma'am, that may be true as a data point, but the fact is today the voters believe that in the last 7 months, there is a lack of empathy shown by the Nitish Kumar government, and there's a general sense of hopelessness and despair. What else can explain such a massive move towards the RJD-led alliance?
It had been communicated to Bihar Janta that if the JDU and BJP combined come to power, they are voted into power, jobs would be created, 19 lakh jobs, you remember, in fact, had been given in the manifesto that which came out very recently, 19 lakh jobs. And at the same time, you know, I would just like to mention here that this has been clearly communicated to the people, and we know that joblessness is an issue in Bihar, but we were also concerned about it, and we were also committed to providing jobs. So I think to say that just because of joblessness issue, Tejasvi Yadav ji is doing well now, I think does not hold much water.
Okay, that's your view. Supriya Srinath, a quick final comment, because the Congress contested 70 seats. At the moment, the Congress is leading in 16 out of the 31 seats. So you're at about a 50% strike rate. The JDU, the RJD doing even better. Is the RJD the driver of this alliance, and the Congress is a team B or a supporting cast at best, whichever way you want to look at it?
I don't know why every time there is an alliance that we are a partner and we win, we suddenly become the junior ally and not in the driver's seat, and it is a very different proposition for the BJP. It's an alliance with like-minded parties. It's an alliance that we did on issues that really matter. It's an alliance that we did against the misrule of the BJP in the center and Nitish Kumar in Bihar. And the Mahagathbandhan is winning hands down. So I see it as a combined victory. We share the credit as much as we would have shared the brickbats anywhere else.
That's because the RJD is contesting 144 seats, you're contesting 70. Naturally, they are the primary driver.
And I don't deny the fact that this is an alliance between like-minded parties. And yes, RJD is contesting more seats and they are winning bigger seats. But to say that the Congress is not in this and the Congress is a junior ally, I think it's going to be a little unkind to us, especially on a day when we are doing rather well.
Okay, I don't want to be unkind to you on a day that you are doing rather well. You have every reason, therefore, to smile at the moment. Clearly, this is a big election at the moment. Swapan Dasgupta is joining us at the moment.